Hakaniga video ngan pen tip shipi ban ngan batai hak bedi ban kumno bepin to exams kata hak bedi jung kapus multitask stuff ngan multitasking stuff bat kumjuru bat kapus Havaldar apo ka SSC department nakaliang jong ka staff selection commission kalapan tip kumni nakabenta ka schemes of examination namta kapus MTS Pinha banto tang ya ka CBE lani ka computer based examinations. So tang nakamta ka CBE kala biang nakamta kipus lani ki candidates ki bala apply nakamta ka MTS. Henry nakamta kitu ki candidates lani ki applicants ki bala apply nakamta ka post Havaldar ka examination ka don atli kata ka budi jong ka CBE lani computer based examination bat kumjuru ka physical efficiency test lani ka PET lani ka physical standard test te ki don lang hang ni ka physical efficiency test bat kumjuru ka physical standard test jangan sabatai pi kita ki PET bat ka PST na kabanta ban tho ye ka computer based examination kin conduct hakatin Hindi, English, but khalai teliki regional language. Kata kepada jongki Assamese, Bengali, Gujarati, Kannada, Konkani, Malayalam, Manipur, Meitei or Meitei, Marathi, Odisha, Punjabi, Tamil, Telugu, and Urdu. So nagbenta ki applicants jong ka state mekhlaya khamtam ki khas si jointia bat garu ki habanto ya tin English leni lada pinang pilaru banto hak tin Hindi nangta the schedule of examination indicate in the notice is tentative. Any change in the schedule of examination will be informed to the candidate only through the website of commission. Katkum kajing penbaik na kaliang jong ka SSC lapan tip ya ki tarik jong ki exam baru benai mana katu ka video ke bangal ada ban mi shifi rela da don jingkala yang sepentip lembaga official website jong ka commission ban hadin ba pila da banto ya ka exams enam don ka re-evaluation nani ban pe binia biang ya ki marks ba score ke applicant jisin bala ada penmi ya ka result nama syure ban recheck dan re-evaluate in the page biang menta ya ka computer based examination kidon artli parts kata session 1 and session 2 subjects hangni kadon ka numerical and mathematical ability haka session 1 but kumjuru reasoning ability and problem solving tak bumut haka session 1 kidon adli ki subject but the number of questions nani ka maximum marks can they 20 per 60 question marks naiki totally ki question marks pidai benyo lag no arpo marks te kamut ba pila pass na kabenta ketika computer based test nani computer based examination jungka session 1 but ka time duration for all 4 parts nagbenta bro satu lagi part itu pinyo 1000 minutes nada haka session 2 kadon number 1 kadi ka general awareness lani general knowledge number 2 kadi English language and comprehension so number of questions but ka maximum marks ni the number of question kadon nyo pesan but ka maximum marks hangni pidi benyo arpsan marks sejrong so bro atli subject hani pidi benyo arpsan marks sejrong tila dai pila ban penyo arpsan marks sejrong kemud pila pas nak benta ka session 2 ru tina benta ka computer based examination will be conducted in 2 session kata mangal ada ban pensungu ka session 1 but session 2 but and conduct ya kani ka examination ha keju hi ka sungi but Naka Bynta baru ke applicants kidi pendep ya gani ka computer based examination kata di session 1 but session 2. Nangta the candidates will get 45 minutes to complete session 1 and 45 minutes for session 2. Lada bu candidates umla ada ban pendep ya ki question hapo sabsan minute kemun ka computer can close automatically. De page ba ya kapor deng lupa ka bujia tijung pi kenang bapintip ya kapor bapinto ya ka computer based examination nama ladap palat ya ka sabsan minute kaling can close hi. Baru hamar bayakut ka session 1 automatically ka session 2 kan sedang. Kemud pinum yo rest pinum yo break re dari pinap syong hi hang tu. Namar marsun kut ka session 1 kan sedang saka session 2 kata nakabenta ka session 2 ru pinyo sabsan minute de pidi ban pendep ya gini ki question hadu sabsan minute de lada pimdep ya gini ki question de kemud ka link lani ka computer kan close no ya giti jingkali de pin subha ban Pynkhreh ba pendep ru ban jubab ya giti jingkali po ka sabsan minute. Ini page nakabenta ki jingkali jong ka computer based examination. Hakani ka session 1 but session 2 jong ka CBE ki don tang ki objective types question lani ki multiple choice question. Tiki la pinga sutu pitip hi ya ki objective types lani multiple choice question. Pia ban sujit kawin abdeng ki sautali ki option. De haka session 1 omdon minus mark a nakabenta ki jubam ki balai. Handai haka session 2 pide ban page ba ban pule ba nama haka negation kindon ru ki negative marking lani ki minus mark man la ka wi pa ka wi ka answer ka ba phi jubam lani phi tik but la shem ya kata ka jubam bakam day kin minus ya phi shima de shubu mentala da ke jubab jung phi baro nyup santali kilan kumud kin minus ye phi baro nyup san kumud nyup san mark shen phio minus 75 lani minus nyup san mark kata ko bomon ba kin base kat kum ka session te pinum yo ai da te karpan ya ki candidates lani ki applicants ki ba tho ya gani ka session 1 but session 2 kamtam e session 2 pepin pule bha pule benia ban lada phim sngou nang ban jubam te dangla ba I page da ki we pan namar wa yol ese ke jubam ju phi kam dei phin yo minus mark a ti shwa bangan ya shaprang nakabanta ki syllabus jong ka post MTS ngakarpat di ki parlok baro khamtame ki viewers jong ka channel ban ki video ki jonga ngakarpat ya phi bapin ya share like khamtam e ban ya subscribe nakabanta ki employment news ki padangwan hakini ki singi tele metang in page nakabanta ki indicative syllabus for computer based examinations for the post MTS and Havaldars. Dia nakabenta ka syllabus jongka CBE lani computer based examination kaban kong kadi ka numerical and mathematical ability phi haban Pynkhreh bahaya kini kata kabadi jong kijingkali ki one na kini kabadi jong ka problem relating to integers and whole numbers LCM and HCF decimals and fractions relationship between numbers, fundamental arithmetic operation, and body mass, percentage, ratio, and proportion, work and time, direct and inverse proportion, average, simple interest, profit and loss, discount, area and perimeter of basic geometric features, figures, distance and times, lines and angles, interpretation of simple graphs and data, square and square roots, etc. So kini gidi syllabus na kabanta webinto ya computer based examination jong ka subject numerical and mathematical ability. Yang kerpat dia ki paralog lada pila sumbahaban Pynkhreh no naduk mentahi ya kini ki syllabus ki balangat la dia pensengau shipi. Nakabenta ka number 2 lane ka subject of R kabadi jong ka reasoning ability and problem solving. The question in this part intends to measure the candidates general learning ability. The question will be broadly based on alphanumeric series, coding and decoding, analogy, following direction, similarities and difference, jumbling, problem solving and analysis, nonverbal reasoning based on diagrams, age calculation, and the calendar and clock. So for the post of reasoning ability and problem solving subject, pilihan Pynkhreh yakini kumki alpha numeric series, coding and decoding, analogy, following direction, similarities and difference. Kini ki subjects lani ki syllabus nakabenta ka post MTS jong ka computer based examination. Shushu ka subject balai ka general awareness lani GK. The broad coverage of the test will be on social studies, that is, history, geography, arts and culture, civic economics, general science and environmental studies up to 10 class. Ti pihak ban Pynkhreh kamtam na kakot social studies kata di jong ka subject history, geography, arts and culture, civics, economics, but kumjuru ka general science, but ka environment, pidi ban Pynkhreh ya gitu gikot hadu kelas 10. Subject basau English language and comprehension. Candidates understand of basic of English language, its vocabulary, grammar, sentence structure, synonyms, antonyms, and its correct usage. And to test comprehension, a simple paragraph may be given and question based on the paragraph to be asked. Tiki don hang ni na kabenta ka subject English kum ka grammar, vocabulary, sentence, synonym, antonym. Kum juru ka don ka paragraph de piaban pulih paragraph but sajubab di base kat kum ka paragraph baset di jing keliru piaban jubab mani syutik. Shuru na ka benta ki applicants lane ki candidates ki bala ada ban apply na ka benta ka post Havaldar nalor ka CBE pindon ru sa fiscal efficiency test but kumjuru ka fiscal standard test for the post of Havaldar in CBIC and CBN. Following are the PT, PST standard for the post of Havaldar in CBIC and CBN. Kaban kong haning in the page na kabenta ka fiscal efficiency test lani ka PET. Walking meals can be 1,600 meters in 15 minutes. Female 1 kilometer in 20 minutes. Kata kabamut nagamenta kishinrang kat rius pa meters haka katsan minute pide ban shuyait. But kumjuru nagamenta ki can take and shimpotang arpo minute nagamenta ka shi kilometer. A woman candidate who as a result of test is found to be pregnant of 12 weeks standard or over shall be declared temporarily unfit and her candidature will be held in obedience until the confinement is over. So kani kandi na bda ki kante shubu lada shem ya kinu ki kante ki armet no ha kate ka por ba panne ya ka physical absence test kamot ba ki haban penseng shwaya kum kini hadu banda yo ya ka jubab ka bashai lane hadu ba ki ni ki female candidates kin ayo ay kamet ka phat ka bakot bakia ba te hangning pe shushu na ka banta ka physical standard test lane PST. The minimum physical standard test for the posts of Havaldar in CVIC and CVN kan day gumne na ka banta ki shinrang ka height kan day chispa san punyo point san centimeters relaxable by 5 centimeters in the case of Garhwalis, Assamese, Gorkhas, and member of scheduled tribes. Kata kabumon, lada minus no san ya ketika chispa san punyo point san centimeters kan syong no tan chispa san puar point san centimeters. Tikan mau ba? Syabaro ki applicants jong ka Meghalaya. Nakumta ka hai jong ki mil Namda kapus Havaldar berpila ban pendam kan datang chispa san puar point san centimeters. But catches can be 81 centimeters fully expand, but can minimum expansion can be 5 centimeter. Females. The Nagtaki can take a high Nagamantaki scheduled tribes ngan shu penkan mau lan dengan shu pentip tang lamta juniki kasi lan scheduled tribes kan di tang cheese pa sub khnai point san centimeters. Tiki can take balade ban apply na kabanta ka post Havaldar film shu ban bakla lan ban kulumar ya ka height Henry ka di tang cheese pa sub khnai point san centimeters but ka weight kan di sub pra kg lada minus no r kg kan syong no setang sub ho Henry kg na ko benta ki scheduled tribes te ngakarpan ya ki applicants baro na ko benta ka fiscal standard test bepin subhaban theo biang sajisin shwa bepin late ban le ya kan ka fiscal standard test yo let's say shem baka duna ka jingthau le ne ka hai yo phim isolate pensarwa kai yakapor de theobha ada pila dam ya kan ka chispa san 4.7 cm nam ka shinang but chispa sok nai 0.7 cm nam ta kinthe mod directly phin yo ban le ya kan ka fiscal standard test Jitangam tohi nagabanta kini ka jingpentip lani ka syllabus ka mga ngala adep pan matpang pi kini gisi paladep kermen pin Pynkhreh no nagabanta ketika examinations Shabaro ki applicants ki paladep pan apply nagabanta ka post MTS pat post Havaldar di nagabanta ka exams bi paper gi jong pi de juru ka fiscal efficiency test but fiscal standard test nga wish you all the very best good luck